everywhere I went, I had doctors come up to me. Yes, I have a friend, a brother, a cousin, a colleague. They had a stable stage 1 cancer of this type or that type or that type. And after the second or the third shot, it took off like wildfire. But they go from stage 1 to stage 4 within a couple of weeks of that second or third shot. Again, this goes to that spike dysregulating immune pathways. White blood cells that keep cancers in check. Most of those are your T cells, your killer T cells, your natural killer cells. I call them kind of the Marines of your immune system. They're shaking hands with all your cells all day long saying, friend or foe, friend or foe. And if a cell is atypical, your body will throw that T cell throw a little hand grenade and blow up that atypical cell. Now, after the shot, unfortunately, there's a couple of receptors in our body. They're called toll-like receptors, like a toll road. And when these receptors are downregulated, these pattern receptors, the T cells are kind of waiting for instructions or a signal, and they don't have that. And toll-like receptor number 3 and 4 are responsible for the entrainment of T cells to fight cancer. And these T cells end up being like drunk Marines going back to the barracks and snoozing. Now you don't have these Marines on guard. Now they're not circulating, or they just don't even know how to react to that friend or foe signal. And so these wildfire cancers normally would be kept in check by this population of T cells, just fighting it off as constantly as possible. And that's why a lot of cancers can be kept in check for many years, because you constantly have your immune system trying to fight it off. So when you have a weakened immune system because the spike protein, the shots, the mRNA, the lipid nanoparticle itself, all these toxic agents turning off that immune response, now the cancer says, hey, I have nobody fighting me off. And then the cancer starts doubling very quickly and then can spread very quickly.